Well, so far so good. Wow, that's a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. But there's the waterproof cover, the stakes, the poles. So, yeah, let's continue on. Well, okay, that was easy enough. Once I figured out the A pole from the B pole, from the C pole to the D pole, and how not to put things in backwards, because you think it goes the other way. Whew. Yep. This is going to work out just fine. No mold, no mildew that I see. I got it for $25 on Facebook Marketplace. It does have a rain cover, sunshade cover on it. Guess I should have put that on first. But I think what I'll do, let me back up here. Okay, there's my Ozark Trail 3-room tent. They say it'll sleep 12 people, but no. Anyway, whew, it's getting hot already. Once I figured out that the A poles are shorter than the B poles, because on the A poles there's a C pole, and on the C poles there's a D pole. So you actually need the longer ones for the ends to go from ground hoop to ground, ground hoop to ground, and then hoop hoop. Stiffer, thicker poles to keep the sides supported. And you hook the little pieces together right there, and then zip, zip, zip all these windows. So I'm going to, we'll just do a quick walk around here. Plenty of room. A lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I almost went to Walmart and bought one of these. I'm glad I didn't, because as much as I'm going to use this, I'll get more than my $25 worth. Because even if I go to a, like say Fort Wilderness at Disney World or someplace like that, campsites are $110 a night. You do have full hookups though. But yeah, I'm kind of liking this. Looks like I might need to stretch those corners out a little bit more. But yep. I'm liking that. So I'm going to consider this one done. I'm just going to unzip everything so the air can blow through it. And now over it and knock it down. Let it sit outside for a while, stretch out, air out. And we'll check on it in a little bit. All right. So that's all from this episode of Mac Street Garage. Be good to yourself. Be nice to each other. And if you go camping, you have a lot of fun. Have a good day. Bye.